Hello fellow traders, welcome to another episode of the series. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you very much guys for your support, especially for my previous video. I didn't expect to hit 500 views related to inflation and how cryptocurrency can be used against inflation, if this is possible. Of course we don't know, we are talking about the future. Anyway, what we do every week, we are keep analyzing the Bitcoin. Here are our trades. Of course, you know how I enter and so on. That's what we are doing every week. Thank you very much also, guys, for the accounts that you are sending me and the information. Thank you very much. For this week, we opened the CFTC report. I know not the best tool, however, this is that what will help us and watch what happened, guys. Because I'm hearing something about bear trap, bull trap, and so on. Yes, indeed, the market is bearish if we open the daily chart for sure. However, in the long term, I still believe this is the perfect spot to go long in the market. So what we see here, the commercials for sure double their long accounts. Now they are at 514. Remember the previous week 214, 158, and this is our entry point. This was the lowest point. Of course, I didn't know exactly that this would be the number, but I am suspecting their entries and their exits. So I'm speculating that these are the perfect spots. Again, retailers always in the wrong side. This is the game. This is how it's done. You cannot sell something that someone doesn't want to buy, and the opposite. You cannot buy something that someone doesn't want to sell. Also, in this chart, I have created, based on every week, the biggest short was at 51.5, and we are still closing that point. For people that are using indicators, we do have some kind of divergence if we could use these numbers, because in initial move on March, that we have that huge downfall, we did see that difference. What's happening this week? Again, shorts are more than longs. I cannot disagree with that. However, retailers are those who are keep losing. At least this is what the statistic says. Also, I have a very interesting statistic that it was sent to me. For those that keep at least one Bitcoin, and how many are of them, I will show it to you next week when I will have it ready. I will use it because it's a very useful tool. Actually, it shows how many people own at least one Bitcoin. The longer you are keeping your coins, and this is the secret, especially in a market that is so volatile, we will open our technical part because at the sentiment at this point, I'm still believing the long. Commercials are keep increasing their long position. We are in the good side. That's what we believe, at least. I will open my technical here. We have that channel initially. It's one of the major resistances. The reason is that based on the golden ratio retracement at this point, actually it's 23k if you want to search for round numbers. So at this point the market, I was expecting to shoot down. You can check that on my previous episode. However, we are not wizards. We don't know exactly what will happen. I still believe that the market will go up, for sure. This is the reason. The green line is our major retracement based on the small uptrend. Remember that we are checking the 4 hours. If we open the daily, for sure, we have a strong bearish market, and no one can disagree with that. The point is that if we choose the correct point to enter the market, I mean, will the market reverse at this point? That's what I believe. I don't believe that the market will go lower at this point. If it does, yeah, for sure, we will just lose a trade and that's it. Every time that you want to enter a trade, you will need to take into consideration both factors. Either you're going short or long. So actually, you have to put them in a scale. At this point, I believe that the market will go higher. I'm waiting for the breakout, for the prices to go higher. Again, we are not wizards. Yeah, the prices might go lower. Fed will increase interest rates, so the market will react. I think that we have done that discussion again about the interest rates and so on. The market adjusts the prices. So it won't make so much of a difference because the Fed is already hawkish. So actually they've said what they wanted to say. We all know their intentions and so on. So I don't think that we will see some major reaction based on their announcements. So the point is exactly if the market will keep going higher. Yes, I do expect that. Of course, this is the reason that in this channel you're going to see some real trades, real accounts. I cannot find anyone that is doing the same, and that's why we are here. We try to provide some unique content. Again, guys, thank you very much for your support, for your likes and for your comments. Also, I have created a new channel for beginners in trading. You can also find us on Reddit. I will leave this. I will start leaving description when it's ready. Still, we need a lot of things to do. So, again, thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much also, again, as I said, for my previous video, because I didn't expect to reach like 500 views, because even that, if you are new, especially in this industry, it's not easy to get views because people doesn't know you, they don't trust you, and so on. Again, guys, trade safe, and I hope I'll see you in the future.